I've been hearing a lot of people complaining that they cannot rent and cannot sell their property. If you have the same problem, I would like you to pay attention to what I'm sharing with you now. So basically, for what I do is if I know there's a property up for sale or up for rent, I will go to the property portal, which is like iProperty, Property Guru, even Muda, to see who is the specialist agent in the area, and I will contact them. I will contact 20 to 40 of the agents who are specialized in the area. At the same time, I will call them personally, and then I will inform them my property information, what is my intention, and I will make friends with them. And after that, I will send all this information via WhatsApp, because it's easy for them to advertise my properties. I talk to them, and after I send them, I will contact them every single week. This is my formulas that I have been successfully renting out my property very fast, and sometimes even with high price. So I always say again, a lazy investor, it will be a lazy property, because your property is not working for you, because you are not working. So, but if you work hard, if your property work hard, sure, the bank is full.